In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a Western Union license and become an agent in 2025. If you run a retail business, this is a great way to offer money transfer services and earn extra income. First, make sure you own a business like a convenience store, supermarket, or travel agency with a physical location and steady foot traffic. Next, prepare the basics: a computer with internet access and a printer for transaction receipts. Then visit Western Union's official website and fill out their agent application form. You'll provide your business details, contact info, and what services you want to offer. Once your application is approved, you'll receive training on how to handle transactions and comply with regulations like anti-money laundering rules. Western Union will also guide you through getting any required local licenses needed to operate legally. After completing all steps, you can start offering Western Union services and earn commissions on every transaction. If this video helped you learn how to get a Western Union license, please like and subscribe for more business tips. Thanks for watching.